Hi, I am Umesha Emma. Now I am going to explain corporate social responsibility towards community. A company is a part of the community. A community is a part of society at large, which provides the immediate social environment to the company. A company has an important role to play in the community. That is, what are the responsibilities of the company towards the community are: first one is to share the negative consequences as a result of industrialization. That is, after the industrialization occurs, what are the negative impacts? For example, if it is any industries opened nearby residential area, what are the negative impacts on the society or the community? That should be give information properly. That is, either in terms of pollution, either water pollution or noise pollution or air pollution or industrial waste. That is, what is the consequences? That is both positive and negative, but importance should be given to negative consequences as a result of industrialization. And next point is helping to get talents. That is, for the development of the community, corporate sector needs to help the talented students. For example, nowadays, that is, Santosh scholarship also come to the picture. That is, if you see, Zinda scholarship is there, minority scholarship is there, Wipro scholarship is there, Infosys scholarship is there. It is for meritorious students. Corporate sector are helping to a maximum extent. That needs to be done, because if the safeguard or if they help the talented student, those people, those students are the future generations, and they will contribute to the development of the industry as well as the economy. And next one is transfer of technology. That is, how technology is transferred. That is, if the companies are using updated technology, for example, technology in either in US or in Japan, if the same technology is adopted in India, that is automatically technology is transferred from those countries to, that is, our country. That is, that should be happen. That is transfer of technology. If the transfer of technology taken place, that is, community is able to get quality goods and services at the reasonable prices. Because mainly in case of India is mainly concentrating on labor. That is, instead of machines, labors are used in the manufacturing sector. For that reason, cost of production becomes higher. If the cost of production becomes higher, automatically the price of the goods and services are becomes higher. That is, with the impact of globalization, that is, industrial products, especially Indian products, are not able to face competition either in terms of quality or in terms of quantity or in terms of price. For that reason, so many companies live their life. Next point is helps to protect environment. That is, company needs to take, that is, how to protect environment. That is, environmental accounting is there. That is, what is the pollution, how much is the pollution, either the air pollution or the noise pollution or the industrial waste. That is, what are the steps taken to curb the particular pollution, that needs to be accounted. And at the same time, company needs to help for the development of the particular environment. And next one is protection of human rights. That is, company needs to protect human rights. That is, because all are human beings, there should be, that is, rights should be properly managed, properly respected. For that reason, companies needs to be protect the human rights. And next point is interdependency between a corporation and community. because if the corporation is good, automatically community is developing properly, and if the community is good, automatically corporation is also that is going forward. That is, there is interdependency, because if the quality workforce is provided to a particular corporation, automatically quality goods and services come up and they are paid enough, and automatically it leads to the development of the particular community. That is, if the that is both the sides, and at the same time they are interdependent with each other. That is, community is also then should work towards development of the organization, and at the same time corporations should also work towards the development of the particular community. And next one is helps in data gathering for other public organization function. That is, company needs to help, that is, for getting data of the different departments. And next one is giving back to the community by assisting the less privileged, because when the companies are earning profits, at that time they needs to help, that is, disadvantaged peoples, that is less privileged people. But nowadays some of the companies are doing these things. For example, at the time of corona, that is, so many companies are helping the disadvantaged or the less privileged peoples, even in that at the time of floods. That is, in the case of Kodagu or in the case of North Karnataka, that is, so many companies are helping. That needs to be done, because those, that is, people are less privileged people, that needs to be taken care. And that is, if the companies are earning profit, as a CSR part, that needs to be spent for those less privileged peoples or the community. And next one is supporting and participating in community initiatives. That is, if it is any, that is, community initiatives programs are there, for those companies should needs to help, that is, for the, that is, betterment of the particular community. That is, company should support the community initiatives. That is, if it is any initiatives taken by the particular community for the development of their own community as well as the individual developments. Next is working towards environment conservation. That is, company needs to concentrate on, it is, how to conserve nature, because the nature should, that is, provide all the facilities, all the resources, and at the same time that should be conserved properly, and that should be taken care. If it is not taken care, that is, future generations will suffer. For that reason, that is, conservation should be taken place. And supporting the spread of education. That is, education is the only backbone for the development of an individual as well as the industry as well as the country. For that reason, that is, companies needs to spread the education, that is, education habits or the development of the education. That is, some of the companies are taking some of the schools for contract, and they are developing the particular schools, and at the same time, that is, some of the companies are collecting, that is, part of the whatever the amount received, that some part, that either 1% goes to development of education. That is, so many activities are done by, that is, if you see the advertisement or if you see the package of the particular goods. For example, in the case of some of the soaps and detergent, that is, 1 rupee goes to, that is, education is there. That is, some of the companies are taking these type of measures, that is, for spreading the education habits. At the same time, they are giving facilities for the, that is, for free food or the shelter or the other things, and ensuring safe and good working conditions for all employees. That is, the company needs to provide, that is, safe working and good working. That is, if the employees are safe, automatically they are working for the betterment of the organization. That is, for safe and health of the workers, the particular condition should be safe. That is, environment should safe, that is, working environment, if it is safe, if it is good, automatically employees are able to work properly and companies are able to earn profits. These are the some of the points regarding CSR activities towards the community. Thank you.